What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Just chilling here in the office, and Moise is about to pull up with his new Corvette. New to Moise. Shout out Moise, part of Stay Tuned here. And he's gonna pull up. We're gonna go check it out and see what it's all about. It is a 1999 Corvette, and you guys actually haven't seen Moise on the channel in a while, so if you guys are new to Stay Tuned, Moise and we did the video with his 5.3 Silverado versus my 5.0 F-150.
C5 Corvette. It's got a 6.0 swap, upgraded heads, new torque tube. So doing pretty good. And can't remember if it's iron or aluminum, but it's got an upgraded intercooler. Ready?
Welcome back to a brand new video. This video will be a nice little vlogging video, nice and laid back. Haven't filmed one of these in a while. The YouTube schedule has been crazy busy with cinematics and Pokemon unboxings and other gaming related videos. So today's Sunday, nice and chill day. I'm not even going to the gym today, just day off, and should be fun. Gwen's inside right now. She has to get a new phone. She decided to drop her phone about like 100 times yesterday, and it finally broke, so she's gonna join Team Apple, hopefully. And then afterwards, I have to meet up with somebody later to sell an umbrella. I know, weird, but it's fine. And then it should just be a fun, relaxed day. I'm looking forward to it, honestly. A nice chill Sunday. I haven't had one in a long time, so you guys enjoy the vlog. Well, it's time to go buy an iPhone.
Moto G, then Samsung Galaxy A23. Monthly price on that is $18.86, but AT&T is going to give you a $9.29 credit, so it'll be $9.57. 128 gigabyte is only $100 more. $779, $21.64 a month. $972 final price, $11.92. I always carry it on me, and the one day I don't.
So while Gwen is getting her phone set up, I decided to come over here, check out the camera section here at Walmart. Eventually I want to get a Canon G7X for the channel. It'd be fun. No G7X, but they do have the M200 mirrorless. What's up, guys? That one is new. Haven't seen that before.
So change of plans. We have to go back to my house and grab my social security card because I don't know my social security. And then we have to go back.
Duckies. We have secured the social. Now time to play with ducks. What are you doing? Sit. Good boy. Give me a paw. No. Back to Walmart. And we're at Walmart.
Yeah.
should successfully leave with an iPhone this time.
Should successfully leave, yes.
Walmart has acquired a PS5, $500.
If you are calling for
Yeah, especially if they weren't asking for any.
Well, I just had to leave Gwen at Walmart while they're still setting up her phone. I grabbed the umbrella, heading to the store now to meet up with the guy to sell it, heading back to Walmart, and I'm absolutely starving, so we gotta grab some sort of food or something. I wanna know how some people make it through life, because we told each other we were gonna meet at this certain store, and then he goes to a completely different store in a different town. So then I'm just like, okay, I'll head to you. Like, you know, not a big deal, right? I don't even know where I am. Okay? He's just like, I'm heading to you right now. I'm just like, awesome. Fantastic. Update, umbrella is sold. Heading back to Walmart now to meet up with Gwen, and hopefully she's got her phone working. She hasn't texted me or called me yet. So I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I hope that it's a good thing, but we'll see. Well, thank the good Lord above. Gwen just called me as I'm turning into Walmart. She got her phone set up. Thank God. We don't have to wait at Walmart another hour, 'cause I was not having that. But she's about to walk out now, so I can just pick her up quick, and then we will continue on with the Sunday that we have left. It's already 2:30, so we don't have much of our Sunday left, but oh well. Wow! You have an iPhone now.
Yeah.
4 hours later, you have an iPhone now.
Kind of cool.
Let's see it. Wow. iPhone.
Wow.
Wow. Alright, well, we have to add the new Stay Tuned sticker to the new phone. Everybody a part of Stay Tuned has the Stay Tuned sticker. Perfect. There we go. Just got home, absolutely starving. About to eat some food. Got our buffalo chicken with pepper jack, some pickles with a DC. Perfect balanced lunch. Nap time with Levi. Well, just got back home. Going to meal prep some chicken. 4 pounds of chicken to cook up. 4 pounds of chicken. Trying to figure out what seasonings I want. Decided to hit it with some taco seasoning. So with the chicken draining, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll dump the chicken back in here. 4 pounds of chicken cooked up. A couple hours later, just made it to Publix on some shrimp for dinner. Well, the shrimp came frozen, so I now have to use a coffee mug to weigh it down inside of cold water to defrost them. Well, I tried a cold shrimp. It was not very good. So, this is what we're gonna do. I've got the oven preheating, and I've got the butter melted in it already, all the shrimp laid out, and then the garlic and parsley seasoning. Just took my evening pills. This is a peanut butter cup rise protein shake in here. This peanut butter cup rise protein is so good. Gwen's making what I like to call my ice cream. Or I guess the wrapper's off. It's just keto friendly vanilla yogurt with some organic blueberries. The taste of garlic butter and shrimp in my mouth right now is just undescribable. It's just so potent. So I need dessert to get it out.
Mix those in real quick to add more.
Alright YouTube, I just got home from dropping off Gwen. This is going to wrap up this portion of the vlog. Oh my god, that's a lot of dogs. That's going to wrap up this portion of the vlog. Tomorrow I'll pick it up tomorrow morning when I'm heading to the Ford dealership. They're going to work on my truck because it's been idling rough. I'm so exhausted. I'll just catch you guys in the morning. Peace.